Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your history on Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Google Docs from your desktop shortcut or by using your web browser. Once you open it up, simply open up the document in which you want to view the edit history. Now once the document is opened up, you will be able to find the history button at the top right corner alongside comment history. Simply click on it and now you will be shown the edit history for this particular document. You can click on the different versions of the document, and if you want to restore this version, then simply click on the three dots at the right side and click on restore this version. You can also make a copy and create a new document by clicking on make a copy. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to view your history on Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.